Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Instagram professional account detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Instagram app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you don't have it already. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. If you already have a personal account, log in with your credentials. If you're new to Instagram, tap on sign up to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address or phone number. Follow the prompts to enter your details, then choose a unique username and password. After setting up your account, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings at the bottom. In the Settings menu, look for Account and tap on it. Under the Account section, find the option that says Switch to Professional Account. Tap on that option to begin the transition. You'll be presented with two categories, Creator and Business. Select the category that best fits your needs. After choosing a category, tap Next to continue. Next, you may be asked to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page if you have one. If you don't want to connect to Facebook, you can skip this step. Once you've completed the necessary connections or skip them, you'll see options to add more details like your contact information. Fill in the required fields to enhance your profile. After that, tap Done to finalize the registration process. Now you can access professional features like insights and advertising options. Explore your new professional dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Congratulations, you're now registered with an Instagram professional account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.